You've just received your boosted Rev. Here's how to assemble it to get you ready for your first ride. Let's begin by removing the box clips. Make sure to set them safely aside. By grabbing the handles up top, let's remove the top of the box. The handlebar assembly is located in this box. At any point if you get lost, you can follow our assembly instructions that are provided with the scooter. Remove the handlebar assembly, lift the steering tube out of that box, and let's set this box safely aside. We may need it in the future. We're going to press this wire into the steering tube. Then at 90 degrees, we're going to press the handlebar assembly into the steering tube and then rotate up another 90 degrees so that the headlight is facing forward. Press down the fender to allow the handlebar assembly to lightly click into place. While holding down the steering tube, use the provided tool to firmly tighten the hex bolt. There should be no wiggle room between the handlebars and the steering tube. Press down on the fender to release the handlebar and lift the steering tube into an upright position and press the latch into a locked position. Now that we've completely assembled our scooter, let's remove it from the box. You can let it stand freely using the kickstand. And underneath, you'll be able to find your accessories and documentation. Let's see what's inside. Before going on your first ride, open up your accessories and documentation box. Inside, you'll find your documentation. Below that, your scooter charger, 2 inner tubes. Now you're ready to go on your first ride.